This video is going to show how to back up a database from OrCAD CIP with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Backing up databases of verified part and model data is critical to prevent design data loss and protect intellectual property. The Component Information Portal, or CIP, provides an efficient method to create, manage, and back up your component database. Start by opening Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. In the Connect to Server window, enter your server name, username, and password as required, and click Connect. If the server connects successfully, a folder tree is listed in the Object Explorer panel. Expand Databases and select CIPE. This is where your CIP database is stored. Right-click and select Tasks, Backup to start creating the backup. The Backup Database window opens. Here you can define what database to back up, how much of the database to back up, and where to back up the database. A default backup destination is added to the list by default. To customize the backup location, select Remove under Destination to remove the default. Click Add to define a new destination. The Select Backup Destination window opens with an interface to select the desired backup destination. Select the ellipsis for file name. Browse to the desired location to save the backup file. Enter a name for the file and click OK. Click OK in the Select Backup Destination window to save the settings and close the window. The defined backup destination is added to the list. Let's configure additional backup options. Select Media Options under Select a Page. Select the option for Overwrite all existing backup sets to overwrite any existing backup files. Check Verify Backup when finished to verify the file once it's created. We are now ready to generate the backup file. Click OK to start generating the file. When the backup finishes, a prompt appears that the operation was successful. Click OK. The CIP database has been backed up. If you need to restore a backed up file to the CIP database, right-click CIPE in the Object Explorer and select Tasks, Restore Database. The Restore Database window opens. First, we need to define the file to restore. Select Device under Source and click the ellipsis to browse for a device. The Select Backup Devices window opens. Click Add, browse to and select the desired backup file. Click OK and click OK in the Select Backup Devices window. Back in the Restore Database window, ensure that CIPE is selected as the database under Destination. Check Restore on the entry in the Restore Plan table. To configure restoration options, choose Options under Select a Page. Check the option to overwrite the existing database to overwrite the full database. We are now ready to restore the database. Click OK to start restoring. When restoration is complete, a prompt appears that the database was restored successfully. Click OK. Quickly back up a database and export your component information as a safeguard against design data loss when updating your part database with CIP. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.